This is how I make my coils. First thing, I have to barb my hair. As you can see, my hair is pretty rough here. I have to cut my hair. After cutting my hair, this is what I look like after cutting the hair. Actually, the next thing I had to do was to use foam to create coils, which looks like the dreadlock ones. Yeah. The second step, I have to pour my hair with the foam generously. I mean, the front, the back, every single place. So it takes a little bit of time. After doing that, I am done with that. So I have to relax the hair now. I'm using ozone on this video. Normally I use Milky Way, so you relax the hair properly. Okay, and then you allow it to sit. Just not to waste my time, I use black mask to just occupy my face to wait for the relaxer to sit on my hair. That's what I'm doing right now. So I had to wait for it, and in a few minutes it was done. I had to wash the hair, and then I came back. Now it's time to use the Jack 5 gel, which is a little bit expensive. You can just get the Petals gel, it works the same way, but Jack 5 is a little bit more expensive, but it works perfectly. Actually, my hair is over relaxed right now, which is not supposed to be, because I was waiting for the black mask to get dried. Normally you shouldn't allow your own over relax. It should be like in a few minutes time, just wash it off. But actually it gives me what I want. Actually, it may not work for you, that's what I'm saying. Now it's time to use the spray gel. Use it generously like I'm doing. Yep. Okay, I think that was too much. I mean, that is slow mo, so it should be like too much. Now this is it. Okay, that's yes. And this is what I look like when I'm done, and this is what I look like before. So thank you. That's it.